It's your boy Wabbit from Wabbitshot. Welcome once again to my channel. Here we talk about tech, travel, and photography the Wabbit way. You know, Wabbiting guy love money, so which is the budget way. Anyway, today I have this interesting vlogging camera for all my friends out there, for you guys who are not as rich as these big YouTubers but want to start vlogging like me. Yeah, so today there's this vlogging camera I bought from AliExpress, which is really cheap. When I say cheap, like way cheaper than this other expensive. It's an action camera, so it's way cheaper than this other expensive action cameras like the GoPro. I'm just comparing to GoPro because like that's the best action camera out there. So this camera is called Eken. Yeah, it's an Eken 4K Ultra HD camera. So today this is what I'm going to be talking about with you guys, so stay tuned. And if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. Yeah, subscribe button, the one down there. Please just, yeah, right now, just before I continue, just hit the subscribe button. Yeah. Oh, very good, you did that. Yeah, don't forget that notification bell. Ding. Yeah, right there. Just click on it, and then, okay. So let's move on. So guys, before I get geekish on you, let's look at the price of the Eken 4K Ultra HD action camera. You won't believe it, like it cost from 60 to 80 US dollars. I had mine for roughly 60-65 US dollars on AliExpress. You can also get it on OLX or June, like one of these retail websites. Yeah, so now for the Eken 4K Ultra HD camera, man, this camera is rocking a lot of specs I never thought this cheap camera would rock. It comes, first thing it comes with, it's a 4K camera. It is a 4K camera, first thing you know. And it comes with this fisheye camera lens of a 170 degrees wide angle, which gives it that ultra wide capture ability. Yeah, like the GoPro. See that fisheye that's kind of round. Yeah, and these are the two important qualities, video qualities it has that matters to me, which is the 4K at 25 FPS frames per second and 1080p at 60 frames per second. Wow, for that cheap camera. Alright, and for the real geeks out there who want to know what the sensor is about, so it has a SunPlus 6350 chipset and OV4689 image sensor. It has a little LCD screen at the back of the camera, yeah? So you can be able to see what you video, just like the GoPro. So yeah, you can say Eken has copied GoPro, it made it cheaper. And it also has a built-in Wi-Fi sensor that you can sync with your phone to either capture and post your whatever you have captured on social media instantly. And yeah, it also has a controller. It's like a wristwatch controller that you can set the GoPro somewhere. I'm not calling it GoPro. Set the Eken camera somewhere and just with a click of a button start videoing or take pictures. Yes, it can be used for your normal photo camera. It also takes pictures, not just videos, but pictures, just like the GoPro. So guys, isn't this amazing? Isn't this product amazing? I bought it, I'm using it. Here, I'll just show you this video I recorded using the Eken camera, so you would decide if you think this is worth it for you. What up guys, your boy Wabbit from Wabbitshot. Yeah, today I'm just here to talk about this Eken 4K camera, but it's been a year now. It's the budget version of a GoPro. So this is basically a video review and a voice review to see overall if it's a good vlogging camera. Yeah, it's a 4K camera, so I'm videoing in 4K right now and 25 frames per second. Now you judge from what you see if the video audio content is good enough to use as a vlogging camera or as an action camera, because it's supposed to be an action camera. So thank you all for staying with me, listening to me mambo jumbo about this tech. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. If you still haven't subscribed in the beginning, please subscribe now. Smash that like button if you enjoy what I've done. Anyway, and don't forget to share, because yeah, don't be greedy. Stop. There's someone out there who wants to buy a cheap camera. Please just share. Let the person know there is this cheap camera out there for the person. Just guys. And if you have other tech products you want to buy, you want me to review, you can just tell me on the comment box below. I'm gonna sacrifice my money and buy the product, review it, and let you know my honest opinion. So far the Eken 4K has been good to me. I put it at somewhere 5. Yeah, somewhere 5/10, because yeah, even though it's good, quality is somewhat good, but man, it's cheap. The materials used to create it is cheap. When it drops, I don't think it will survive. Or maybe for an action camera, you gotta use it for a lot of vigorous things, maybe swimming, riding bikes or something. I don't know if it will last that long, but man, you can still use it for a while. No, it's better than nothing. So yeah guys, this is all I have for you today. See you in my next video. This is your boy Wabbit, and I always got your back the tech way. Peace, double rock on, and I'm out.